Tonight, all eyes are on the Walter Reed Medical Center where Marine One brought President Trump. Friday evening, the president walked off the chopper waving, minutes after recording this statement at the White House.
I think I'm doing very well, but we're going to make sure that things work out. The First Lady is doing very well.
Yet questions are looming as to just how well Mr. Trump is doing.
We're operating with very little information and data about President Trump's health.
Dr. Sadia Khan is an assistant professor of medicine at Northwestern University School of Medicine. She says the fact the president left the White House walking is promising and great to see, but it doesn't add much context to his health status.
Such as what's his blood pressure doing, what's his oxygen level, what are the results of any tests that he has had done to be able to make that type of decision in terms of whether or not it was indicated for him to go to the hospital.
The president's hospital stay comes hours after his staff said he was showing mild symptoms of the COVID-19 virus. Catching the virus at age 74 makes the president a high-risk patient, but many are surprised Mr. Trump took a dose of a trial drug, Regeneron, an antibody not FDA approved.
Because we don't have that evidence and data yet, I think it's something we should cautiously think about before giving to anybody, even the president.
It's the most serious known medical threat to a sitting president in decades. It's a virus that has left more than 200,000 Americans dead from complications. And tonight, as President Trump is monitored closely at Walter Reed, the difficult task of contact tracing gets underway with everyone the president, First Lady, and his staff came in contact with recently. And this week, the president came in contact with many people, not just at the presidential debate, but at a fundraiser he attended just on Thursday. Those individuals should either get tested or go into a 14-day quarantine. Tonight, the world is watching to see how our president responds to this deadly virus. Reporting live, Jermont Terry, CBS 2 News.